We've got a last minute Christmas or pre-Christmas unboxing for you today. Just hot in from UPS was this, and I know it's a good thing when I see the lithium battery warning sticker on a package. So we've been looking forward to getting these for quite some time. The Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses. All right, so these are the Wayfarers. And let's go ahead and open them. Listen, call, live stream. Ooh, so this looks like our, kind of stuck in the packaging there. It's a little bit dented. Hopefully that'll pop back out. But it looks like a standard Wayfarer case, except it's got a USB-C plug on the bottom there. That's kind of cool. Oh, and it lights up. Look at that. When you pop it out, it lights up. So I guess I'm supposed to pull this. Oh, this little thing came out there. I'm not sure. Oh, maybe that's inside the case. Oh, those are the charging contacts. So I should have looked at what that did before popping them out. Lights up on the inside too. I think that's probably the side of the glasses there. Pull these out. Set that case off to the side. Making some sort of noise. Sleeves on the arms of the glasses there. There's a blue light on the corner. Not sure what that means. These are indeed the Wayfarers. Okay. Maybe we'll pop these back into the box or just leave them to the side. Okay, listen, call, live stream. What's this here? Microfiber cloth to clean them with. Get started. All right, so it looks like we have to download the app. Okay. Pull the tab, which we already did. Charging. Okay, so the battery level will show up on the dial of this. I'm not sure what that yellow light meant then. Let's pop these back in. What does the yellow mean? Didn't tell us there. We've got green or red. What does yellow mean? Okay, so let's do a quick overview here. Okay. Oh, there's quite a few buttons. So A, the power switch. I guess that's this. Oh, it slides. I don't know what that means, which one's on or off. Something did turn red. Oh, now it turned white. Okay, well, B, the capture button. That's this one on top here. Okay, see the camera. Oh, it said something. Battery 67%. Okay, that's our camera over here. What is... Okay, D, the touchpad. Oh, so this is actually a touchpad on the side here. Capture LED. So I'm not sure what the capture... the camera versus the LED difference is, but this is the LED. Speakers, F. Okay, just right by the ears, that makes sense. Microphone, G, so right by the nose piece. And then notification LED is over here. Okay, so that's blue. All right. So we're gonna head, and I have prescription glasses here. So I'll have to throw in some contacts or something to make this work for the time being until I go ahead and do this here. But pretty cool. Got that going. Pop these back in the case. And expect more from us. We're going to shoot some video using these Ray-Ban Meta glasses. All right, so stay tuned and smash a like if we've earned it. That subscribe helps us even more, and we'll see you in the next one.